In this video, I'm going to talk you all about the slicers you can use on your Mac OS system. Because running a Apple computer
What is this here?
can also be quite challenging when it comes to 3D printing. Wait, Zach, somebody said downstairs that I had to go. I think we have a visitor. PolyMaker Phil, what are you doing here? Somebody said downstairs that I had to go one level higher. Why is this guy here again? Is this your new studio? Wow, you did an amazing job. What do you want to say about the whole thing that
PolyMaker filaments here.
PolyMaker is doing? Woo. Right. Oh, sorry, Zach.
Sorry.
Dude, I like PolyMaker as well. I understand. Ooh. PolyMaker is amazing.
Nice filament.
Makes amazing filaments? No, Phil. Filaments. Like your name. PolyMaker
what?
Phil. Filaments.
No. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
He has the
I don't
name,
want to interrupt.
but he doesn't get it, right?
Great filament.
Yes.
This is great, guys.
Makes amazing
Get your filament at PolyMaker.com.
Yes, Phil. I got you. Relax.
ABS.
What are you
going to do with this?
On something? Yeah. Can I continue with the video?
You want to make a video about?
Yeah, the video is about slicers for your Mac OS. Yeah.
Mac OS slicers?
You have a MacBook as well, and you want to know how to use slicers
that's
there?
Nice.
Well, the basics of the slicer are quite simple and straightforward.
He talks quite a lot.
The thing is, however,
always do that?
Not everything, especially. Just wait a minute.
Okay, so you are making a video about
manufacturers
slicers
having
for
their own slicers.
your MacBook
and not
Pro
every slicer.
I don't know. I'm just using a
Mac OS
metal
system.
gray laptop.
So, therefore, you
has some touchpad and I think something of a fruit on there.
That's why
oh, yeah. I'm sorry. Apple.
Make sure
I have an Apple
in
laptop.
The mainstream.
Yeah, and I want to use it
in the mainstream.
Yeah, I know. Mainstream on there as well because I
know that word.
I've got PolyMaker filament. Yeah.
For your mainstream.
So,
for your mainstream slicer software, like Prusa Slicer,
dude, serious
Slicer, and some of the other slicers that works perfectly with
go to
PolyMaker.com. And if manufacturers are making sure to have their profile in the mainstream slicers, everybody can use them. Because in the time that I had my MacBook Pro, I couldn't use any of the creative slicers. Do you want to add something else to this?
That's very cool, Zach.
Video, PolyMaker Phil?
You're going to use that as well?
Yeah. So go to PolyMaker.com and get entered for the
they have also
Bambusa
giveaway, and it's running till the 4th of April, and winners will be announced
a lot of
on
cool
the 5th
prizes
during their live stream.
Head down to PolyMaker.com.
Make sure that they are entered as well.
And also, hey, while you are there anyway,
make sure to tell them
check
about
out the amazing filaments
in the description of this video.
Of PolyMaker. That's correct.
In this video.
Phil,
so that people can
with
go
the video.
to the...
So, can you do something else?
I need to leave.
So, PolyMaker, Phil, I will see you next time. Peace.
I'm going back to
Sam and their team. They are way fun, way more fun than you. PolyMaker Phil is an amazing dude, but he is so driven. He has a passion for PolyMaker. So, if it wasn't clear enough, check out all the PolyMaker filaments in the link in the description. Check out for 3D Jake and other websites that are selling PolyMaker filaments. So there you go.